And the Attorney General's office has urged the Ghana Police Service to consider settling its dispute with JoyNews' Latif Iddrisu out of court. Mr. Iddrisu and the multimedia group are in court demanding payment of damages for the assault visited on the journalist by policemen. An attorney at the office today informed the court a letter had been dispatched to the Inspector General of Police asking that he pursue settlement with the journalist who is currently battling various health complications as a result of the incident. Mr. Iddrisu's team say it's open to the settlement discussion, but once the case to proceed, court correspondent Joseph Akable has joined me in the studio. Joseph, how did the court receive this talk of settlement?
So the court is open to the idea. In fact, the judge did say that it was important for the police and the Attorney General's office to pursue settlement, in that they consider this to be important and a more appropriate way to resolve the matter. And so they urge them to try and get that done. But a lead counsel for the multimedia and Latif Iddrisu, Samson Ladi Anyanini, informed the court that when the issue happened, the National Media Commission had attempted to mediate between the police and Latif, but that did not reach any conclusion, in that they couldn't agree on a settlement. And so because of that, it was important that the case proceeds and the court does not put the matter on hold just because it wants to or hopes that some settlement or agreement of sorts will be reached.
So the whole case started with Latif himself in the box. How did it go?
And so first, his witness statement was adopted, and that effectively recounts the event of March 2018. And you recall it was Kokuanyi the host arrest and the massing up at the police headquarters by members of the National Democratic Congress. That was the program or the event he was covering when he had gone to speak to a policeman to ask the technical name of a vehicle when these men attacked him and beat him up mercilessly. So he recounted all of that. It is interesting that during cross-examination, the attorney who had told the court that the AG had instructed her to write to the IGP to consider settlement, during cross-examination now suggests to Latif that no policeman beat him up either in front of the police headquarters or inside or anywhere closer to the place, and that no policeman touched him at all. But Latif insisted that he was beaten, and that is how come he's suffering from the damages arising. And so that was the beginning of the cross-examination, which will continue tomorrow.
So having gone through this kind of cross-examination, how did Latif himself feel about out-of-court settlement proposal?
I mean, just like his counsel had indicated, he says he's open to it, and that this matter has been lingering for a while from 2018. And so what is important now is that at least the case has started. If they are able to reach some conclusion which they feel it satisfies both sides, they will take it up to the court and let the court adopt it. But while that remains outstanding, he is ready and open to continue with the case to tell his side of the story while pursuing justice on the other leg as a settlement in the discussions with the IGP.
Joseph Akable is our court correspondent, and as he rightly indicated, the case has started. We'll follow through to the logical conclusion of this case. To others.